Welcome to my closet. Actually, let's get prepared for this cleaning issue. I'm back. So I basically just put on some comfier clothes to declutter my room, and I got me a Starbucks. Very good. It's the dragon fruit mango refresher made with lemonade. But if you guys need to know, you can take a little screenshot of that if you want. Welcome to today's video. I wanted to put it at this angle so you can kind of see like all of my closet. My closet is basically one big room. So maybe I'll sit down in the chair. Basically my closet is one big room, so I have a lot of clothes to declutter today. Oh, maybe I should do an intro. Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Noelle and I'm so excited for you to join me. If you like today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. When you hit that notification bell, you get notified every time I post. Also, if you guys want a little bit more content from me, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'll put it right here, and don't forget to follow me for all of the latest updates. So thank you so much. In today's video, I'm going to be decluttering my closet, making it as perfect as I can, throwing out stuff, throwing out clothes. It's basically like a spring cleaning video. I have one actual closet here, and then I have a dresser with 6 drawers, and I have a dresser over here with 3 drawers. I'll show you guys basically all of my closet in just a minute here. I'm gonna make 3 piles. One for giveaways, one for, which is like donations, one for putting away for fall and winter, and then I'm gonna have my other pile being spring and summer clothes so I can put them all back. All of my clothes are like literally everywhere right now, and I just don't have enough room for all of my drawers. Also, I need to take out my bathing suits and create a drawer for that. So yeah, if that is interesting to you, then definitely stick around because there'll be a lot of, cleaning going on here. So first of all, you guys, I want to show you guys what my actual closet looks like completely, so you guys have like the full effect, I guess. So I'll show you guys my closet. So basically, this is my door. So you come into my room. This side's all my bedroom. That needs to be fixed on its own, my little YouTube setup. And then this is my closet with all my shoes. That is my closet number 1. Also those bins I want to get rid of. And then this is, you guys know, that's the little setup for my other videos. I have my workout stuff there, but that's just gonna be there. And then I have this other dresser I want to go through. I also want to find a spot for all this random junk that I have everywhere. I have a laundry basket filled with clothes, but they're gonna be clothes that I'm gonna be wearing in the summer anyway, so I don't really have to do laundry right now. But basically that's where we're gonna start. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna put a little video on while I do this. I'm gonna get all of my boxes and stuff up there out, get rid of all my clothes. I'm gonna put all of the clothes that I own literally right on my carpet, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, let's start. I basically just took off all the clothes from these hangers, but that's about it. I didn't even get to this dresser or any of the bins up there or that dresser yet, and we are already have all of these clothes. It kind of makes me feel bad that I have all of these clothes and I don't wear half of it. So I think I'm gonna actually put all of my clothes right here. It's gonna be one big pile, and then we're gonna sort through them. So alright, let's go the process. What I do first is just tackle this closet. So I'm going to take out all the stuff that's in those drawers and then all of my bins up there. And then we'll just go from there. Okay, you guys, so wow, you can already see the top of the pile, that is the clothes so far. And then I'm gonna tackle this big ass dresser. I have a lot of clothes in there, so I'm a little nervous, but we can do it. We can do it, yeah, okay. Okay, you guys, holy crap, do I ever have a lot of freaking clothes. So I got all of the clothes out from under there. I got all the clothes out from there, and sorry, I'm out of breath. And obviously, like, in the closet, even the clothes that I usually like save them for the season, I put them all in this pile here. Let's look. Wow, that's a lot of clothes. And look at all of the clothes that I own. It is way too much and I need to declutter this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like separate all of the clothes into a bunch of piles, and then I'll get back to you guys on what I'm gonna be doing with all of them. Okay, you guys, so I kind of changed my plan. I'm not going to hang up my clothes right now. I'm just going to sort them. So that's what I did. I'll show you guys literally what I just sorted. All these folded clothes are the clothes I'm going to keep. So these are like my pants, my pajamas, all of my bathing suits, shorts, and those are all clothes I have to hang up. Those are still my fall. I gotta get rid of that stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna find drawers for all of this stuff. Alright, before we finish this, of course I have to show you guys what happened. Like, what is my closet really looking like at the end of the day. So I'll show you guys everything I did and what it looks like now. I'm gonna pretend like we just walked into my closet. So basically this is what it finally looks like. So of course this is my mirror. Oh my god, I could take nice selfies in it now because everything looks so clean. So we'll move to here. I decluttered all of that stuff. In this drawer, I put all of my bathing suits, and I never realized how much bathing suits I actually own. Then in the drawer underneath, I have all of my scrubs, my scrub tops, and my scrub pants. And then in the one underneath there, I have my pajamas. Oh, these are in the wrong drawers, whatever. These are my pajamas and my sweatpants. And then in this drawer, I have shorts and like jean skirts and like nice pair of pants or skirts to wear in the summertime. Now this is what I love the most. I have my longer clothes here, and then all my tank tops, and then it goes into my gym clothes. Also, if you can see in the corner there, like all of those hangers used to be full and now they're like empty. So that's how I know how much I like got rid of or, you know, put away. In these three bins up here, I have my winter / fall clothes. And that one is just like school stuff. And then moving on to my last three drawers, I fixed this so it might like, yeah, there we go, it fell. This is all my jeans that I own. I don't own very many, but like you don't need a lot of jeans. The second drawer is all of my leggings, all of my stuff I would work out with, all of that jazz. And then the last drawer is literally my sweaters. It feels so much better to just clean out all that you have so that it really does feel like you're ready for the summer and you just feel so good about yourself. So if you have the chance, I hope that during this video you guys are decluttering with me. Alright you guys, it's really been a journey trying to get through all of my clothes and trying to figure out what clothes I want to keep for the summer, some that I want to put away, and some that I want to donate. It really feels good to declutter, and that's basically what spring is about, is to declutter, clean out what you gotta do, and just make your environment overall like better. If you guys liked today's video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to go follow me on Instagram, and I have more content. I'm really trying to make my social media better, and you guys are my motivations. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.